Hi guys, this is Traveler's Nanny, and I show you my place, my own place here. So we flooded, so this it's how they fix it. They changed everywhere, the doors. I'm so excited. So maybe later this afternoon, they're gonna put back all the stuff. Let's see. I miss my bathroom, my room bathroom. So this is how the 12th in Japan. Look at this. You don't need to touch it. It will open. Each time you close here, and that is the best part. They clean the mirror in my bathroom. Wow. And that is my room. So I don't want to put my fridge here. I want to be clear here. Maybe the table and the fridge is here. And look at my kitchen. My kitchen tops. I might make a lot of cooking vlogs here. Yes, and this is my room. It's a bit messy, but they will put my bed here and my furniture back in here. Look at that. So this is only the part 2. So later, guys, so when they put the furniture here, my big TV, my living area, my couch, I will show you again. So thanks you for watching, and please keep on watching my videos and stay connected, guys. And please subscribe and comment below if you want to ask something. Thank you. This is my room as a OFW here in Tokyo, Japan.